The excellence of German automobiles is undeniable. Whether you're a Volkswagen enthusiast or an unwavering admirer of Mercedes, it's indisputable that Germany has shaped the global automotive industry, giving rise to giants like Mercedes and BMW, not to mention Porsche, which we've covered extensively on this channel. Over time, these brands have become synonymous with quality, releasing robust models annually, equipped with the best in automotive technology. This constant innovation and efficiency, born from German engineering, led many to consider German cars as the best in the world, especially throughout the 60s and 80s. During this era, it was widely accepted that the quality of German cars surpassed that of their competitors. The notion that Germany produced vehicles of unparalleled quality was almost unquestionable. However, in recent years, this perception has been challenged. Evidence of this shift can be found in the recent vehicle recalls. In 2022, Mercedes recalled nearly 1 million cars due to brake issues, while Audi led in the number of recalls. The question remains, what happened to the quality of German cars? German automobiles are globally recognized for their engineering excellence and superior quality. Praised for outstanding performance, exceptional efficiency, and durability that defies the years, they are products of the meticulous attention to detail by manufacturers, from design to final assembly. Germany is known as the country of the automobile, a title earned through the country's significant influence in vehicle manufacturing and exports. Each brand carries a rich history, illustrating the evolution of automotive engineering up to the present day. This legacy dates back to the late 19th century. In 1886, Carl Benz revolutionized the world by patenting the Benz patent Motorwagen, the first combustion-powered automobile. Although rudimentary, this innovation changed the course of society and paved the way for the automotive industry. In the early 20th century, iconic brands like Mercedes and BMW emerged, initially producing aircraft engines used in World War I. Another manufacturer born amidst conflicts was Volkswagen. In the 1930s, Adolf Hitler sought a popular, compact, and robust car. Together with Ferdinand Porsche, they envisioned the project for the Beetle, originally named Volkswagen Type 1. The Beetle quickly captured the hearts of Germans and gained global notoriety. In the 1950s, it became the most beloved imported car in the United States, a position it held until the early 1970s. Despite criticism of its design, its undeniable durability made it resistant to time and various adverse conditions. Mercedes also contributed to the German legacy of durable and high-quality vehicles, with the standout model being the W124, introduced in 1984. Renowned for its performance, durability, and technological innovations, the W124 featured an aerodynamic design that facilitated airflow beneath the car, saving fuel and ensuring stability on the road. Additionally, it included a button to lower the rear headrests, a rare feature at the time. The safety of the W124 also stood out, with excellent results in crash tests. According to automotive journalist Jason Camisa, during the development of the W124, engineering and production quality prevailed over costs, resulting in an exceptionally well-built vehicle. This justifies the popular saying that a Mercedes-Benz is engineered like no other car in the world. However, technological advancements and market changes over the years have impacted the German automotive industry. These transformations have affected not only production but also the quality of some models. Nevertheless, the historical contribution of German manufacturers to the global automotive industry remains unquestionable. When considering this impressive journey, from the origins with the Benz patent Motorwagen to the modern vehicles produced by Mercedes, BMW, and Volkswagen, it's clear that German manufacturers have significantly shaped the automotive industry. Even with current challenges, Germany remains an influential force in the sector, upholding its reputation as the country of the automobile. This story is a testament to the innovation, quality, and durability that remain hallmarks of German cars. The automotive industry has experienced ups and downs. The global proliferation of vehicles brought changes. Some resulted in positive advancements, while others did not. For German manufacturers, the industry's expansion marked a new chapter. In order to meet global demand, manufacturers modernized themselves. They had to align with international standards and expectations. However, these changes brought challenges. German manufacturers, previously focused on the local and European markets, began to decentralize production. They established factories in different countries, seeking cheaper labor and new markets. But this strategy affected the quality of vehicles. The German industry started substituting robust materials with plastic to reduce costs. This move harmed the perception of German cars' quality. Plastic, being cheaper and versatile, became more prevalent. It became an alternative for cheaper vehicles without compromising structural integrity. Today, it constitutes half of the volume of a standard car. Yet, this widespread presence of plastic in modern cars generated a sense of cost-cutting. And the issues are not confined to quality perception. In the race to reduce carbon emissions, the German industry is falling behind. The USA and China are investing in electric and hybrid vehicles, while Germany lacks significant progress. The European Union announced that by 2035, the sale of combustion engine cars will be prohibited. This is pressuring the industry to reorganize. Even prior to the announcement, Volkswagen was already attempting to produce less polluting vehicles. However, there were failures and a scandal. Volkswagen engineers attempted to circumvent regulations and pollution tests. They created software capable of masking emissions. This was the trigger for the Dieselgate, one of the biggest scandals in VW's history. This case brought significant losses to customers who acquired vehicles with the malicious software. The Dieselgate shook VW and resulted in recalls worldwide. The financial losses and damage to the brand image were immense. In the US, it is estimated that VW lost over $120 million in legal settlements and customer compensations. It wasn't only VW that faced issues. In 2020, in Brazil, 4 premium German manufacturers were involved in nearly 50 recall campaigns. Mercedes-Benz and BMW, for example, had failures in various components of their vehicles. For Mercedes, the sunroof and the turbocharger were recurring issues. In BMW, customers complained about airbags and fuel leakage. But it's not just German manufacturers facing quality problems. Recalls have become common over the past decades. There are cases of structural problems in model production. In others, the faults lie in components supplied by other companies. Like the Takata airbag case, which caused casualties worldwide. So, what's the true situation of the current automotive industry? The golden days of the German automotive industry seem to have become history. The vehicles that once dominated the streets, synonymous with excellence, belong to the past. Since the invention of the modern car, Germany has been at the forefront of innovation. Their cars were revered for their robust engineering. Classics like the Beetle and the Mercedes W124 didn't become icons by chance. However, today, German automobiles face questions about reliability and durability. Frequent recalls worsen the situation. But this issue isn't unique to German manufacturers. The current quality of vehicles isn't the same as before. With the increase in car demand, industries operate on tight schedules and outsource many components. Simultaneously, they seek to cut costs and adhere to regulations, especially regarding safety. The pursuit of efficiency at any cost reflects in the quality of vehicles. Outsourcing, intensified since the 1960s and 1970s, makes manufacturers lose control over production. This can lead to less supervision and, consequently, impact the final quality. German manufacturers are experiencing the aftermath of their years of success. The high standard of their old cars created high expectations. Today, there are still those who love them, but also those who criticize them. The landscape has changed. Perhaps the focus is no longer just on durability and power, but also on design and sustainable technological features. For enthusiasts, this might be a tough reality to face. But markets are dynamic. As challenging as creating a quality car that meets consumer needs is, maintaining that standard, no matter the cost, is equally demanding.